Hi there, today we're going to take a look at how to change the language on a HP OfficeJet Pro 8728. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself without needing to involve a PC or laptop. Now this printer is currently set to English, but I'm going to make all of the button presses very clear so you can use this guide regardless of what language your printer is in and what language you would like it changed to. So first of all, we need to get into setup, which we get to by dragging down the bar on the top of the screen here, and then there is on the top left hand side this cog for setup. Let's press to go into there, and then we need to go into preferences, which is the very top option, and here we have date and time and then language, which is the second option down. Press to go into there, and here we have a nice long list of all of the available languages. So just scroll till you find the one you desire, press on it, confirm, and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.